Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of making this box a little bit 150% bigger, but we left the hinges the same size. And if you didn't watch the first video, you might want to watch that. We're going to increase with this locked 150%. So I made our hinges bigger, but now our holes are not big enough. But we don't want to change the 9 millimeters. We just want to change the height, because that's all we changed here, and we need to change this tab back. So with this unlocked, change this to 150%. And now it's still 9 millimeters. Now we need to adjust them on the item, and they're a little bit bigger. So let's get rid of these other tabs. They're a little bit bigger than the tabs themselves. I'm thinking they're doing that because they're going to glue them. And the way probably to do this would be to grab this in the center and have it go to the midpoint. Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the control button and then getting to the midpoint. Now let's shift select these two items. And let's just put them over here till they get in the edge. And then really what we need to do is do this. We need to be in the middle too. So it says center. And then let's change our nudge factor to 5 millimeters. Let's Control D and make a duplicate. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now our hinges are bigger. But if you notice that where our wood is still 3 millimeter and we got 4.4. So all we have to do is do the exact same thing. We need to go and break curve apart and just get rid of 5 of these. Grab our nudge distance to change it to 1.5. Grab our shape tool. Grab all these, and these are 2 separate units, so we'll have to do them separately. But let's just grab those and move them over. Grab these and move them over. And now you're done. And then just make 6 copies of that. And you have your 6 hinges. Now, before you make your copy, I would definitely change because we made this hole bigger, I'd go to Hobby Lobby or a craft store and buy you a dowel and do you some test cuts. You want this a little bit loose so it's going to hinge. So before you make your copy. But that will fit into these slots like that. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thanks for watching.